Lego. It's the original Batman. Original Batman. Oh.
It's V-Kills.
Aye. Gucci on the Prada, say me feeling bad. I be looking like the nigga that you wish you had. Them my girls, them a coming, them a looking bad. Man, I rolling with my niggas and we moving mad. So me let on.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, my package came via DHL. It took about 2 to 3 days to get to me, and it did come with a wig stand. This company is called EayonHair.com. I have worked with them before, so I'm very familiar with the company. They also sent over some wig caps and some information about the wig and also how to take care of it. So this is the packaging that the wig came in. This is a 24-inch body wave wig. It's a lace front, and it has 2 combs in the front and 1 long comb in the back, and it also has adjustable straps along with a removable elastic band, as you guys can see. So this is what the wig looks like straight out of the package before I cut the lace and before I adhere it to my head. Really good parting space. It's really long. You get about maybe 6 to 7 inches of parting space before it turns into tracks. And yeah, you guys, for the rest of this video, I'm just going to be showing you how I cut the lace and go ahead and adhere it to my head. So please enjoy this video, and I will be back a little later on to share my final thoughts.
Lego. It's the original Batman. Original Batman. Oh.
It's V-Kills.
Aye. Gucci on the Prada, say me feeling bad. I be looking like the nigga that you wish you had. Them my girls, them a coming, them a looking bad. Man, I rolling with my niggas and we moving mad. So me light on up and put it up till the morning. Them I know that your mind, so they be stalling. And I be always there to answer whenever you're calling. And you always hold me down whenever it's boring. So sexy when you think about, I can't tell me nothing. What you talk about? Man, I light you up, you will turn me on. Man, I play my song, you will sing along. You got me elevated like I hit the bomb. 007, man, I James Bond. Me wanna get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire, so me, I light up the fire. Me wanna get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire, so me, I light up the fire. Girl, them I want a bad man, put a ring on it. You're the only one me I really gotta think of. Trust me when I say you're the only one I feel for. Wine for me, girl, them I really try confuse me. For the money, me not flip on your head. You got a thing that go crazy for a man. I got the money, so they sing for me, girl. Wine for me, girl, she a wine for me, man. Now if you lose control, you got the fire can cool, let's get the groove on. On a cruise control, let the vibes come true, let's make a move on. Them really wanna stress up on me. Bad man, them really can't stress up on me. I really wanna test man for him. Bad man, them really wanna test man for him. Me wanna get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire, so me, I light up the fire. Me wanna get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire, so me, I light up the fire.
Okay, you guys, so this pretty much wraps up the video. Styling this wig was super easy. All I did was throw some curls in the front, add some concealer to the parting space, and I was out the door. I'm still rocking this unit, you guys. It's been about 4 days since I started wearing it, and it's still on my head, and it still looks good. So there's no tangling, no shedding, or anything like that. If you guys are interested, please check below in the description box. Again, this is from Eayon Wigs, and everything will be there. If you have any comments, leave them down below in the comment section. And on that note, I will talk to you all later. Bye. Thanks for watching.